let's come to the page number 142. Children, in this video we will do a very interesting activity. Complete the grade by multiplying the numbers. Here we have to complete the grade by multiplying the number. That means we form the table 1 to 10. This multiplication grade can also help you to find out the product of two numbers. Okay, so children, are you ready for that? Fine. So here we have 1 to 10 number in first row and 1 to 10 in first column, and in between we have some tables. So children, a same grade I have drawn in notebook. So let's see. As you see, here 1 to 10 in first row and 1 to 10 in first column. Here also shown the table 1. Are you seeing, children? Here is table 1 and here is table 2. So how to write this table 1? First we see the first number. This is, here is 1, and children, here we will see the first number on first column and first row, and this both number we will multiply. So let's see first. Here 1 and here also 1. So we will multiply. It means 1 ones are 1. Okay. Now to find this number 2, we multiply 1 by 2. That means 1 2s are 2. Then 1 3s are 3. Okay. Similarly, if we multiply 1 by 4, we get product 4. Okay. That means this is the table of 1. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Right. Then we see the table 2. We see table 2 here. So how to find? We see the second number of the first column is 2, and we start to multiply by 1, then after by 2, by 3. Okay. So 2 ones are 2. Fine. Now we multiply. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. So this way, children, and last 2 10s are 20. So here you can see the table of 2. Same way we have to write the table of 3, table of 4. So children, are you able to write the table of 3? Everybody is no? Okay, so let's start. 3 ones are 3. What we write here? 3. Now when we multiply 3 by 2, here what we get? Here 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. Then 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. Then 3 9s are 27. And finally 3 10s are 30. So same way we have to build the table of 4 here. So children, you have to form yourself. Okay. So children, we have completed the multiplication grade here. You can draw this multiplication grade either in your notebook or in textbook, as you wish. Okay. Now here is given an example of crossing 3 numbers in a row and column. Here you can see in textbook, children. So children, are you seeing here? Here is a example of crossing 3 numbers in a row and column. If you see here, we have 3 6 9 in this column and 4 6 8 in this row. If we add the numbers together from top to bottom, that is 3 plus 6 plus 9. Let's add. Look at here, children. First I add 3 plus 6 plus 9. These are all numbers in a column. Okay. So when we add this 3 number, we get 18. You can add this way. Here is biggest number 9. So 9 keep in your mind. And 6 keep on finger. So count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Then we get 15 and again we add 3. So count after 15, 16, 17 and 18. So this way you can count. If we add these 3 numbers row wise, 4 plus 6 plus 8. Here I show you. So when we add this 3 number, we get 18. So children, are you seeing? Both way we get 18. So children, that means when we add 3 numbers column wise and row wise, we get same answer, right? Similarly, let's do some more crosses in this tables grid. I am taking 7, 14, 7, 14, 21 and 12, 14, 16. Now we have crossed these 3 numbers here and these 3 numbers. Okay. Now let's add and see whether we get same answer or not. Okay. First we add 7, 14 and 21. Here, when we add these 3 numbers, we get 42. Children, you can arrange the number vertically and you will add in rough. Okay. Now we add these number column wise, row wise 12, 14 and 16. So when we add all these 3 numbers, again we get 42. So children, this cross is also having the same answer. Okay. Now let me draw another cross. So which number we take, children? Okay, we will take 8, 10, 8, 10, 12 and 5, 10, 15. And again we see whether we get same answer or not, right? Children, if you observe here, if we add the number together from top to bottom, that is 8 plus 10 plus 12. Here I have written 8 plus 10 plus 12. When we add all 3 numbers, we get 30. Okay. Now, let's add the number together from left to right. Okay. So, what is the number? 5 plus 10 plus 15. So, if we add 5, 10 and 15, we get 30. Okay. So children, what did you understand to see this cross? We get same answer by adding row and column. Okay. So similarly, you will do another cross in your textbook, and then after you show me. So children, just read this question. See, mark the numbers 1 to 10 in the same grade in one color. Children, here you will take your favorite color. I am taking here red. So I am marking 1 to 10 in this column here. It means we have to mark the number 1 to 10 in the same grid. Only we take one color. Okay, so I am taking here red. So let's see. I am marking 1 to 10 in this column. Look at here. 1 to 10 in this column. This way, children, you can mark or you can color it. You can take your favorite pencil color. Okay, either a red, yellow or blue as you wish. Here also I have taken up to 10. It means, children, we have to only mark the number which is less than 10 or less than and equal to 10. Okay. So 4, 6, 8 and 10 also will come. 12 we will not take. Why? Because 12 is bigger than 10. So here also we can mark it this way. Okay. Now can you tell me, here will come 10? Oh yes, up to 10 here. So here also we can mark with red, right? Here also 9, which is less than 10. So 9 also will come. Okay. Now finally we have marked up to 1 to 10. Okay. Next question is, mark the numbers 12 to 20 in another color. Children, this time I have taken red. So in this question we will take another color. So you can also take according to your choice. Here I am taking green, right? So let's see in grid. We have to take 12 to 20. So children, clearly you can see here 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So we marked with green, right? Now can you find it? Anywhere is 12 to 20? Yes. Are you seeing here? 12, 15, 18. 21 we cannot take because it is bigger number. Bigger than 20. Now here you can also see 12, 15, 18. So here also we can take up to 18. Okay. Now here 12. Now anything is remaining? Yes. Here also 12 to 20. So children, you can take this way. You can do this way. So are you enjoying to do this activity? Okay. So let's see one more question. Here is, similarly mark 21 to 30 in a third color. Now two colors already I have taken, that is red and green. And this time can you tell me which color I should take? Okay, I will take blue. Okay. So children, I have taken here, I have used blue to mark the number from 21 to 30. So here you can see 21 to 30. Then vertically also here is 25. So we will take 25. 25 is coming between 21 and 30. So from 25 also we will take. So here 25, 30, and in this row we will take 25 and 30. Here also you can see which number will come, 24, 28. 32 we will not take. Why? Because 32 is bigger than 30. So we will take only up to 28 here. Fine. And then 24 and 28 vertically also we will take. And this side, if you will see the third column 1, 2, 3, then you can see 21, 24, 27 and 20 and 30. Okay. So children, this way you can do first you make grid and then you can mark according to the question. Thank you.